Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at a charging station for batteries for the Xtra Edge Pro. These same batteries will work with the DJI Action 5 Pro as well. Now, what's nice about this little case, as you guys can see, it's very minimalistic. There's almost no branding on this whatsoever from the one that was sent out to me. We also have 3 indicator lights right here in the front, letting you know when the batteries are charging or what their status is. Inside, we have bays for all 3 batteries, so you can charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously, which is, very, very nice, especially if you're going to be traveling with your camera. So we're going to take a look at the batteries themselves. Now, the kit comes with 2 of these batteries. So as you guys can see, there's a little branding on here. It says 5 Pro. So that's for the DJI Action 5 Pro, these aftermarket batteries. And like I said, you get 2 of those. And simply enough, all you have to do is open up the charger, and you guys can maybe see inside there how these are lined up. So you're just going to place these in like so. Just press them in, and you'll hear like a little click, letting you know that they've been secured. There's the second one. All right, so it does come with a standard charging cable. This is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So we're going to plug this guy in real quick, and I'm going to show you how to determine what's actually going on when you're charging it. So I'm just going to plug this in right here to one of my little power bit. Plug this into one of my little batteries here. All right, guys, so we're just going to plug this in, as you guys see, USB-C side here. We're just going to plug that in, and now you can see the LED lights are lighting up. Now we have a green light and 2 red lights. What that's indicating is we have 2 batteries. We have 2 batteries on board that are charging, and we have 1 bay that's empty. So if we take a 3rd battery, as an example, this one here. Now, this battery here is actually from the Xtra Edge Pro. And if we were to take that battery and also place it inside, it's going to give us an indication of what that battery status is. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this battery should be 100% charged, and the other 2 are currently charging. So if we take one of these batteries out, let's just grab this little tab here. You guys see the green light comes on. So if you see the green lights and you notice you put a spent battery in, that just means it's not pressed in all the way. So just make sure the batteries are securely pressed in and they should charge. So yeah, really nice design. I like this little lid. Just clips closed like so. So if you're looking for a charging case for your Action 5 or your Edge Pro, this could be an excellent travel case or just everyday case to be able to efficiently charge your batteries. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.